Now, I would like to introduce our first business presenter for today's meeting, Dr. Usha Nair. Dr. Usha Nair has dedicated her 2 decades to healthcare, hospital and diagnostic industry with hospitals across Mumbai, Pune, Delhi and Hyderabad. She has also practiced various complementary and alternative therapy systems. She is a lead assessor with healthcare sector Skill Council too. She has been associated with various social impact initiatives with Maharashtra State Commission for Women, Tata Trust, HDFC Foundation, UNDP, amongst others. She is a permanent representative of United Nations with IHRC, an NGO special consultative status with the UNESCO, UNESCO. A full of life women entrepreneur, a health and life transformation coach by choice. Over to Dr. Usha Nair. Yes, Dr. Usha Nair.
Yeah,
please go ahead.
Yes. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes,
it's there already.
Yeah, okay. Hi friends, my name is Dr. Usha Nair and precisely I'm here to talk about living 100+ years by understanding your genetic code. Friends, I'm a PhD and MBA in hospital and healthcare. I hold an honorary DSc, Doctor of Science. I'm a naturopath. I hold a postgraduate diploma in medical lab technology. I also have an honorary PhD for NGO and social work. Today, I practice as a certified nutrigenomic wellness consultant, and I'm here to tell you these are a few of my awards, certificates, and it gives me immense pleasure and pride to say that I have even been honored by our very own Sir Ratan Tata ji.
Of course, next slide. Deepak ji, next slide, please.
Of course, there are other accolades that I have received from state bodies, from various councils, from various national and international foundations and bodies. Well, I also very proudly say that I have been part of FICCI, I have been part of Inner Wheel, I have been able to meet the great grandson of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and being honored. And yes, last but not the least, our very own guest speaker for the day, I have been honored by Miss Pooja Bedi just about 2 months ago at Goa. But friends, here I am today to talk to you about 3 ways of how we can stay healthy. First way is the curative approach, where we are very well aware about the disease management. Once we fall sick and then we go to the doctor, they give us medicines and so on and so forth. The second approach we talk about is preventive approach, where again we are aware about the various master health checkups that happen, and we ensure that we go and do the test, but find out how can we get a cure. Do you think the diagnostic test ever can help you understand your future health problems in advance? Well, friends, Ayurveda says we can live up to a good 120 years of health. And if you see India in the world statistics, we are at 135th position, where the average age of men and women both is just 70.42 years. So friends, what then is the proactive approach for a healthy and a happy family and a healthy you? Well, today I recommend to you, it is precisely about having a complete picture. Whatever I had mentioned earlier is sort of just halfway through. Let us complete it by including a very, very personalized, specific DNA report along with everything else that we do. Our eating habits, our sleep patterns, our water intake, our height, weight, BMI, the various blood tests that we do. But yes, once you include your personalized genome patri, we will then be able to look at future healthcare for ourselves. It will give rise to the new model of healthcare, which is getting popular in the healthcare circles today. And it is precisely proactive, preventive, personalized, and predictive. Well, it is not only me who is talking about all this. There is enough data on the net. When you search, Google says humans could live for 500 years and is investing in firms hoping to extend our lives 5-fold. Nestle is using personalized diets in Japan. Olay is using it for personalized beauty. Well, the most common and known example is Amir Khan in the movies Dangal and Gajni, where he has used this technology and we have seen his performance, his character in the movie. So friends, what exactly you need to do? You need to give 2 cc of saliva, which is a sample of choice. You will be receiving a report of 250 plus pages, including 210 genes tested. You will be counseled by a highly trained super specialist nutrition and genetic counselor, how to understand your report, how to modify your lifestyle, what is the changes you need to make, and that is precisely the personalized action plan that will reach you. You are now invited to take a look at this disruptive technology in healthcare, which is called as the science of nutrigenomics. Why nutrigenomics? Because it is a breakthrough that makes use of diet and exercise just for people either to prevent or treat diseases or simply stay healthy. Well, friends, my personal clients, I have a corporate tie-up with Wokhad Hospital, Mumbai, and this is amongst the first in the country that we have done. Again, my personal clients are additional CP Crime Mumbai and his entire family, which include his 2 children who are below 12 years. So friends, my offer to you today is call today for a free pre-counseling with me, 30 minutes, especially for Tajuba members. Let's discuss your need. My gives are senior management of hospitals across Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad, Delhi, anywhere you say. And my ask precisely are patients with diabetes and healthy people 35 to 45 years but having a family history, teenagers wanting to stay slim, fit, and have a great personality, having family history of obesity, patients with cardiac issues, and healthy people having any kind of family history. These are the 3 major killers today. Well, friends, it is in your hands. Apni sehat, apni muthi mein. Create your own story, be your own boss. Have a lovely day. God says you are unique, special, lovely, precious, strong, and chosen. Thank you so much from me.